yan? This is actually one of the best case scenarios ng isang kalumpitenyo na katulad ko. Some barangays here in Kalumpit has been flooded for months. Umaraw man o umulan, and some areas even lampas tao pa. There's been a recent uproar against the unethicalities and corruption ng mga flood prevention programs na hinahandle ng private contractors at ng DPWH. Hindi lang sa Bulacan pero pati na rin sa buong Pilipinas pa. Really glad na marami ng Pilipino ang namulat sa issues na to at ipinaglaban ng kapakanan natin bilang taxpayers.
At nilalabanan din yung mga nepo baby na ini-enjoy ang kaban ng bayan.
Pero, reminder lang that our fight for justice should always be done ethically and responsibly. Huwag tayong sumusobra sa masamang pagsalita at sa paggawa, lalo na when we doing them in anger. Yan na lang, nung mga nanira ng stoplight at ng iba pang infrastructures during one of the rallies that happened recently. Kaya tandaan that we cannot have justice or peace by bringing chaos alone.